Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with DoorDash affiliate portal authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the DoorDash affiliate portal website. Locate the sign in button on the main page. Click on the sign in button to access the login form. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your email. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. After logging in, you may be prompted to verify your identity. Check your email for a verification code if required. Enter the verification code in the provided field on the portal. Click the Verify button to complete the authentication process. Explore the affiliate dashboard to familiarize yourself with the tools available. If you encounter any issues, refer to the support section for assistance. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure to protect your account. Regularly check for updates about the affiliate program on the portal. Engage with the community forums for tips and best practices. Utilize the resources provided to maximize your earning potential. Take the time to understand the reporting tools for tracking your performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.